Here are the two ways on how to connect your DDJ-FLX4 to the Rekordbox mobile app for iOS, iPadOS, and Android. In this example, I have an iPhone 6s. The first method is over USB-C. There are two USB-C connections in the back of the controller, one that connects to your device and the other which powers and provides power delivery to your phone or tablet. I've named them data and power for this video. So download and open the latest version of Rekordbox Mobile on your device and flip the screen into landscape mode. Connect the power port to your wall charger. The DDJ-FLX4 comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. You may need a USB-C to USB-A cable, so check your wall charger. Here are the common USB connection types you'll come across. Next, connect your device to the data port. For iOS users, you will need a USB-C to Lightning cable. Android users will need another USB-C cable. As you see, I already have the app on and it discovered the Flex 4 immediately. And don't forget to connect the RCA cables from the controller to the speakers and your headphones for queuing. The second method is over Bluetooth, derived from the DDJ-200. This is useful if you just want to hear it from the phone or don't have the cable handy, so I'll disconnect the iPhone. The DDJ-FLX4's Bluetooth MIDI LED will flash indicating it's waiting to be paired. Tap the Rekordbox icon on the app, then tap Bluetooth. Tap the DDJ-FLX4 and you're connected. The DDJ-FLX4 will simply act as a MIDI controller just like the DDJ-200. If you want to connect your headphones for queuing, you'll need the split cable that comes with the DDJ-200 in order to do this. Then tap on the Rekordbox icon, audio, then enable split audio. So I hope you found this helpful. Subscribe for more content and I'll see you on the next one.